I really dislike sketchbooks. I always had problems with urban sketching and having the ink from my sketch bleed through to the back of the paper. When this happens, as far as I'm concerned, the sketchbook is ruined. I have a fantastic solution, and this will work for you, I know. Look at this, a clipboard with a case. You can clip your sketch paper to a solid surface and happily sketch away, not caring that it's going to bleed through. Inside the attached case, you can store any kind of paper you want, including a watercolor paper, colored paper, or just regular copy paper. When you finish a sketch, you can just put it in the case and it will be protected from damage from the weather. The case also has a place for your pen and pencils. I mean, look at that, that's fantastic. The clipboard case is my favorite urban sketching platform. When I'm finished with the sketches, I store them by month in a 3-ring binder. Whenever I want to look for a sketch, I just look for that month. The clipboard case has been a great solution to a lot of my sketching problems. I actually bought 3, one for the studio and one for each of the cars. You can get this clipboard case very cheaply from Amazon. By the way, just thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep on sketching.